Here's one for our Mopar fans out there. Just in it, unique, especially in classics, 1969 Dodge Coronet RT 440 with the high output 440, 375 horse, numbers matching, engine and trans. What I like about this car, Q5 bright turquoise, full black vinyl top, premium vinyl black bucket seats in the interior. Still looking the way it came back in 1969 when it rolled off the Dodge showroom floor. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You got to look at the front chrome, bright work, grille, really good, looks good up front, and functional hood scoops. We're going to start it up. Let you check out the underside of the hood so you can see the engine bay. If you want to see the still pictures of this car, over 100 pictures on our website. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on 15-inch polished sport wheels, red line radials, perfect look for this car. And then take a look down these long panels and how straight they are. Nice restoration. The engine and trans actually have less than 100 miles on them. And this one is a beauty, folks. Center console with wood grain. That is also the way this would have came. If you decode it, I'll go through some of the codes ran through on the fender tag. P6X, which is the premium vinyl bucket, interior black in color. V1X is that full vinyl top. L31, if you noticed up front, it does have the fender mounted turn signals. C16 was that console with the wood grain. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract I mentioned earlier, extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. Look at the light reflect off the rear of this car. Of course, the flat black RT striping in the back. And this is a true 440 RT. Again, numbers matching. The WS23 in the VIN and on the data tag is going to tell you it's a true RT, 2-door hardtop. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to kind of take a peek at this, take a look at the undersides, engine bay. If you can't make it yourself, maybe due to distance or time, feel free to have somebody come and look at this if you'd like them to. The one thing I will mention, you may be able to see it in the pictures a little bit. Again, this is Q5 bright turquoise. Sometimes the way the lighting is and the way the camera picks it up, it comes across a tad blue. It's a little more of a turquoise in color, if that makes sense. Take a look at the still pictures. The turquoise and the blues are tough sometimes for the cameras to distinguish with the lighting and everything between the colors. But I would say in this video, it's a tad bit on the blue side where it's a little more of a turquoise. Look up a true Q5 bright turquoise car. That's what this is. Take a look down the driver's side. How straight those panels are. You can see the reflection of the paint. This thing is really free of any, especially major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nothing like that. And I really haven't noticed much of any imperfections that I've seen. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. You'd have power steering and power brakes as far as options underneath the hood. And again, check out that fender tag that's in the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the stamping from the trans and the engine castings. Those will all be in the still pictures. Seats are like new in this car. Seat belts front and rear. Does have the tack and the dash. Did have the wipers working. Does have the 3-speed automatic transmission. That's also the way this would have been produced back in 1969. Let's go ahead and fire it up. You know, you want to hear it run. Fuel gauge working. Alternator needle came up. That was a cold start, believe it or not, so I won't be surprised that that is down in the cold. Tachometer also working. Nice stock looking dash. AM/FM radio. Slip around to the back. I want you to hear this run. What nice that door closes and fits. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. No wild cam. Nice car you can get in and drive, have a little fun with, or a lot of fun with. I'm going to slip up to the front and let's get this hood popped. I want to show you this engine bay. Here we go. Like I said, functional hood scoops for carb air, and I believe there is a lever on the inside. You can see underneath the dash in the still pictures. May help control that. Look at this engine bay. And again, 440, numbers matching, original 440 car, true RT. How good does that sound? I don't think they get much nicer than this one. 1969 Dodge Coronet RT, 2-door hardtop, less than 100 miles on that engine and trans. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with this one. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. Call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Dodge Coronet in a really great teal color. We've got the hood scoops, we've got the side scoops. This is an automatic on the center console. Our radio works.
Reyes Radiology is the official medical imaging MRI.
The speedometer is erratic, although the odometer does appear to read properly. Our temperature gauge is staying on the C for cold, even though we've been running it a little while. The gasoline is over half, and the alternator is also a little over half. Our wipers work. This is a great sounding car and a good handling car. Handles as you would expect for a 1969 Dodge. Really an iconic car. Let's get her up to speed. Good acceleration in this Dodge. Factory tachometer right here is working. You don't see that very often. You'll want to take a look at all the pictures and read all about this 1969 Dodge Coronet.